Alright guys, we're gonna do a short unboxing video. These are for the Air Max 270 University Red size 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box, show you how they look packaged, and I'll show you how they look on feet as well. As you can see, really nice colorway. Let's see the other two. And now I'm going to show you how they look on feet as well.